Hi there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. Today we are at Globally Local. It's a brand new vegan fast food restaurant that just opened in Toronto. Today they had their grand opening and we're gonna go inside and check out the goods. First try the wingalings. These are their homemade seitan chicken wings that are covered in hot buffalo sauce. You can also get them in a Korean sesame sauce or in barbecue sauce, but we chose the hot buffalo sauce, and it comes with their homemade ranch dressing for dipping. So let's give them a try. Oh my gosh, delicious. The coating is nice and crisp, and it's really tender on the inside. Delicious. And this ranch dressing, amazing. What do you think?
Really crispy.
Yeah. And the spiciness of the sauce is just right.
Yeah, it's not too spicy, but it has a nice kick to it.
Yeah. So this sandwich is called the Benedict. It has Benedict sauce, which is like Benedict sauce. It has tofu, black salt, which gives the tofu an eggy flavor. And it also has their vegan ham. Okay.
All right.
Trying the Benedict. I think he likes it.
Oh my God. That's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
It's so flavorful, and it has a bit of a smoky taste as well.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
It's amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna try the famous burger. It looks like this. It has two patties. They're chickpea patties. It has their famous sauce, lots of lettuce, and I don't want to tip it over too much, but it has cheese on it, vegan cheese, of course, and it looks pretty awesome. I'm gonna give it its first bite. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get this all over myself. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Everything here is so good.
So this is like the Big Mac of veggie burgers, and it sort of tastes like one. But I like that it's not too big. Sometimes burgers can get just too big, but I can tell the whole thing is going to be rich. It's probably enough of a meal just by itself, even without fries or a drink. So, pretty amazing.
Yeah. Okay, now we have the preposterous burger, and it's made with their homemade soy gluten patty. I added a piece of vegan cheese that was extra, but I added that. It comes with mayonnaise and pickles, red onions, mustard ketchup, and lettuce, and it looks really good. The patty looks big and juicy. We'll give it a try. Oh, I really like this one.
Is it preposterous?
It's delicious. The patty is amazing. And it's made here. Trying the preposterous burger.
There it is. it's nice. It's kind of beyond meaty, but a little different.
All right, so the last thing that we've purchased that we're going to be trying tonight is the chicken cordon bleu. And this is a breaded chicken, seitan chicken patty. And it has the vegan mayonnaise, it has vegan mozzarella on it, and vegan ham in there as well, yeah, and lettuce. All right, I'm excited to try this. Wow. Excellent. Really crispy. I love the flavors of the ham and the cheese on it as well. This is something I would definitely get again. It's really good.
All right, we're gonna try. I'll take another bite because I didn't get that much ham last time. Okay, so I love going to vegan places because the mayo is vegan, everything's vegan, so you get the full experience. Sometimes you go to a vegetarian place and they don't have vegan mayo, and then the thing tastes dry, but this, nice and moist, you get all the flavors, so yeah, it's really nice. It's like a nice chicken sandwich with a little bit of ham on it. Awesome, another winner. So we've ordered too much. Gotta take some stuff home.
Yep.
So what was your favorite?
My favorite, for sure, was the Benedict. That was the one with the tofu and the Benedict, sort of like Benedict sauce, and the black salt and the vegan ham. It was incredible. I would probably get 3 of those each time I came. It was so good. That was definitely my favorite. I also loved the winglings, but the Benedict, hands down, is something I'd probably get every single time I come.
Same here.
Yeah.
That was my favorite as well, and I think the famous burger was would be my second pick.
And
we have
one
a little
these.
bit of that. Yeah.
It's so big.
We have a little bit of that left there.
It's a meal in itself. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that if you get the chance, you can come try Globally Local in Toronto. It's located on College near Bathurst Street, and it's a fantastic new addition to the vegan restaurant scene in Toronto. Really good stuff. I highly recommend it. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the little bell so that you're notified for new videos. Take care.